Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic little 108 in the active specification. So this car's done less than 2,000 miles, comes with a touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, there's air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car has one previous owner. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. We've already said it's got fantastic mileage, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.